Under the bright lights of Harrison. It's July 19, 2025, a sultry summer evening at Red Bull Arena, and the digital world is buzzing. Across the U.S., Inter Miami versus New York Red Bulls has surged to the top of Google Trends. Everyone's talking about this showdown. Inter Miami arrives on a high, fresh off their participation in the FIFA Club World Cup, and riding a 3-game winning streak in MLS, powered largely by Lionel Messi's back-to-back hat-trick feats. On the flip side, the Red Bulls are no walkover. Eric Maxim Choupo-Moting has slammed in 13 goals, and ML Forsberg has ignited recent comebacks. Coach Javier Mascherano's balancing act steals headlines. Will Messi start? The Argentine trainer hints at rotation, but suggests that if Messi feels sharp, he'll play. At home, the Red Bulls lean on Choupo-Moting's firepower and Emil Forsberg's creative spark. Kickoff. The stands roar as Messi steps on the pitch, greeted by thousands of Argentine flags and chants echoing across New Jersey. He exchanges a nod with Choupo-Moting, two forwards on fire. Mascherano's gamble pays off. Messi dances through defense, slicing open passing lanes and testing the home keeper. Forsberg responds, weaving past midfielders to orchestrate a near goal. The tension builds. By the final whistle, the result hangs in the balance. The story is not just about goals, but pride, momentum, and match fitness. This isn't just a game, it's a moment that has captured football fans all over America. And that, more than anything, is why it's trending on Google. A perfect collision of star power, stakes,